In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow up on tasks in HubSpot 2025. HubSpot continues to be an industry leader in CRM solutions, and managing tasks efficiently is crucial for staying on top of your workload and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to set up and manage your follow-up tasks seamlessly. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the HubSpot user guide. Open your web browser and enter the URL that will direct you to HubSpot's user resources. Don't worry if you don't have the URL handy. You can simply search for HubSpot User Guide in your preferred search engine, and it should appear as one of the top results. Once you find yourself on the HubSpot User Guide page, you're on the right track. This foundational step gives you access to a wealth of resources and guidance that HubSpot provides, perfect for tackling tasks and getting your setup arranged. Once you're in the HubSpot User Guide, look for the Settings option. It's typically found on the dashboard or the main navigation menu. If you're familiar with the HubSpot interface, it should feel like second nature, but if not, take your time to explore it. Clicking on Settings will open up a wide range of customization options where you can manage your preferences, tools, and integrations. By exploring settings, you're laying a solid foundation for a customized and productive HubSpot experience. Now that you're within the Settings section, shift your focus to the Tasks option. You'll find this listed among other key organizational tools. Clicking Tasks will give you access to manage your task-specific settings and put you in control of your workload parameters. This part of HubSpot is specifically designed to streamline your task management processes, ensuring you can set up to-do lists and deadlines effectively. Next, to manage your follow-up tasks, locate and click on the Follow-up Tasks option. Within this section, you can configure how you want your tasks to be organized, prioritized, and scheduled for follow-up. Setting follow-up tasks is crucial for maintaining consistency in your communication and workflow. Ensure that you adjust your settings to suit your work style and project requirements, whether that's weekly follow-ups or continuous reminders. By following these steps, your task management in HubSpot will not just be effective, but also tailored to the dynamics of your schedule and commitments. Remember, the key to using tools like HubSpot efficiently is regular review and adjustment based on your evolving needs. Thanks for following along and happy organizing in HubSpot 2020.